Good morning, children. Welcome back to our EVS class. So, the chapter that we are running with in EVS, that is useful animals. Yes. In the last video, we have discussed many things about the animals. Who gives us egg? Where do we get from milk? There are many specific animals that gives us milk, that lay eggs. Few of them, they give us silk we get from the silkworm, the wool we get from yak and sheep, the leather also we get from the skin of some of the animals. Okay, now the next thing that we have to go on with this is the last part of the chapter. Now, some animals like ox are used in farming to plow field. Okay, children. Now, जो खेती होती है फार्मिंग होती है, जिसमें फार्मर्स जो है अपने खेतों की जिसको कहते हैं कुड़ाई जुताई, जब उनमें उसको बीज डालना होता है तो मिट्टी सॉइल को ऊपर करना पड़ता है, तो उसमें उनको मदद लेनी पड़ती है एनिमल्स की। और कौन से एनिमल की वो मदद लेते हैं? दैट इज़ ऑक्स, बैलों की मदद लेनी पड़ती है। तो सम एनिमल्स लाइक ऑक्स आर यूज्ड इन फार्मिंग टू प्लाउ फील्ड्स। Now, donkeys, horse, camel, mule and elephant are used to carry loads. Okay. See, in a few years, many years back, when I was in your stage, I have seen that in my grandma's house, the washerman used to bring clothes, the dirty clothes and the neat one also, on his donkeys. He used to bring 2 of the donkeys in that where we were living when I used to go to visit my grandmother's house. तो मैंने देखा कि पास के एक छोटी सी फील्ड रहा करती थी, वो वहाँ पे सभी के घरों के कपड़े ला के अच्छे से ही यूज़ टू ले डाउन द बेडशीट और उस पर वो सॉर्टिंग करता था। एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द डंकीज ओनली ही यूज़ टू कैरी दैट लोड्स। उसमें जो गट्ठर वो लाता था धोबी, तो उन्हीं डोंकीज़ पे बांध के लाता था। So this way, even the elephants in all the hilly areas, the elephants are also used to carry big logs. बड़ी बड़ी जो पेड़ काटे जाते हैं, जो भारी भारी लॉग्स होते हैं बेटा, उन्हें भी जो कैरी करते हैं तो वो एलिफेंट्स की ही मदद से उनको कैरी किया जाता है। कैमल, द शिप ऑफ द डेजर्ट, यू कैन see this animal. So camel also used to carry the tourist also, or the loads also. The camel is used to carry loads in deserts. So camel, why we are calling him the ship of the desert? Because in the desert area this animal is the only having quality to survive, because this animal can store water for 2 or 3 weeks, can store food in its and the padded feet, the paws that this animal is having, that is having the quality to miles go long and walk on the burning desert. So this camel is used in the desert area. It is very useful for the people who lives in desert area, in the sandy areas. An elephant is used to carry logs of wood in forest. और ये animal जो है वो logs of wood in forest के जंगलों से जो लकड़ियाँ काटी जाती हैं उन्हें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुँचाने के लिए animal is best for loading the logs of wood. So, have you ever seen honeybees sitting on flowers? Honeybees make honey. See how tiny creature, एक छोटी सी मधुमक्खी, और कितनी useful होती है. How helpful to the mankind. He gives us this honeycomb. You can see a beehive here in the picture, and we get honey from the beehive that is made by the honey bees. Okay, have you seen honey sitting on the flower? Honey bees makes honey. honey bees क्या बनाती हैं? honey बनाती हैं. honey जिसे हम शहद कहते हैं, बहुत यूजफुल होता है हमारी बॉडी के लिए. इसको बहुत तरह की वैरायटी में, in many of the dishes also honey is used for as eating. So this is all the things. You can see the picture of an ox Okay, an elephant, ox can be used in the farming areas. Elephant is used to carry the logs of wood. Donkey used to carry loads. And here is a picture of horse too. Horse is also very useful. It carries away the loads, and as well as here in Lucknow only we have a very fine example of horse carrying away the tangas in the Purana Lucknow. If you have a chance to go to the Bada Imam Bada or near to the Chowk, we can see the tanga people. This horses used to carry people from one place to another, और ये उनका bread and butter भी होता है बेटा, इस तरह से उनकी अर्निंग भी हो जाती है. तो सी द एनिमल्स आर वेरी यूजफुल. वो हमारी लाइफ के लिए कितने इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं. इवन दे आर द अर्नर्स ऑल्सो. जो टांगे वाला होता है वो उसकी पूरे घर को चलाता है. जो उसके चलाने से जो पैसे आते हैं उससे वो अपने घर की यूज़फुल चीज़ों को या अपनी लाइफ को लीड करता है. सो दिस वे दे आर सो फ्रेंडली. एनिमल्स आर सो गुड दैट दे लीड्स अ लाइफ ऑल्सो. Now the points to remember in this chapter is animals are very useful to us. We get silk from the silkworm. Yes, we get honey from the honey bees. Some animals are used to carry loads. कुछ animals जो होते हैं वो loads उठाने के काम आते हैं. So this is a very interesting chapter about the animals. Hope you all have enjoyed this chapter. Now come to this exercise. Now we can do this exercise so very well that you all can go on with this exercise. Tick the things we get from animals. Now egg of course you get from the animals. Vegetable you get from the animals? No. Wool, yes, you can get from the animals. Fruits, no, you don't get from the animals. Milk, yes, of course, you get from the animals. And honey is the thing that you get from the honeybees. So this activity is very good for you all to just go on with the thing. Now with the help of the pencil you can enjoy this activity, as you all have understood the chapter so well, so you can do this activity. Okay children, again just have a quick look of this useful animals. Some animals, all the animals are very useful in their own ways. अपनी तरह से वो सब हमारे लिए यूज़फुल होते हैं. एग, मिल्क सब हमें प्रोवाइड करते हैं. इवन द सी एनिमल्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी good. Many people used to eat like prawns, lobster and crab. We get wool from the animals. The skin, उनके ऊपर जो रेशे उगे रहते हैं, जो उनके हेयर होते हैं, वो हम एज अ वूल यूज़ करते हैं. सिल्क वॉर्म हमें सिल्क देता है. द स्किन ऑफ सम एनिमल्स लाइक बफलो, ऑक्स, शीप, गोट एंड कैमल इज़ यूज्ड टू मेक लेदर. You can see the picture of jacket, purse, belt and shoes. Okay, the next thing that animals gives us or helps us, like they used to plow our field. Donkeys, horse, camel used to carry loads, and camel, who is known as the ship of the desert, is very useful in desert areas. Elephant is useful in the hilly areas to carry the logs of wood in forest. Now these tiny honey bees, they are also very useful because we get sweet honey from this honey bees, from their honey comb or honey beehive. Okay children, this way, this is a very nice chapter. Just go on just keep doing the learning of the chapter and keep the very important things in your mind. Go to the points that has been given here. Animals are very useful to us. We get silk from the silkworm. We get honey from the honey bees. And some animals are used to carry loads. And they carry loads. Some animals, for example, donkey, horse, camel, mule and elephant. So in the next video, I'll be sending you the exercises and the copy work. Till then children, enjoy the chapter, be happy and be